will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your pocket option. Now we go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on profile, click on it here. Then you come to next step here. Then all you have to do, just click here on profile. So when you click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, just go down here. You keep going down here. You come here to subscribe to company's promotions here. Click in this sign. Then like you see this color show for us. That means subscribe to company's promotions enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.